to recap, yung invitation code or yung invite code para ma-install ninyo yung Sprout Network sa inyong mga mobile phone, it's Crypto Bayanihan 0612. Okay, again, that's Crypto Bayanihan 0612. Okay. Ayan guys, welcome back sa ating channel. Yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon is all about Sprout Network. Okay, may na-discover tayong bagong mining app na pwedeng install sa ating mobile phone. Applicable siya to both Android users and Apple iOS iPhone users. Okay, okay, so Sprout Network. Okay, now kagaya lang ito or alike lang yung mining app na to sa, for example, yung Pi Network and yung Ruby Network app. Okay, so ang advantage nitong na-discover natin na Sprout Network, talagang kakalabas pa lang nito or kakaumpisa pa lang. Okay, makikita nyo dito sa screen natin, dito sa next halving. Okay, earn at this rate while you can. The earning rate will halve as more users join. Okay, so the earning rate decreases over time to create scarcity. Okay, keep earning daily to lock in higher rewards before the next halving. Okay, so makikita natin dito sa diagram or sa illustration ng halving milestone, kakaumpisa pa lang talaga nitong Sprout Network and nasa milestone pa lang tayo ng first 1,000 users. Okay, so napaka time sensitive nitong video na to kasi kakaumpisa pa lang talaga nitong Sprout Network.